Good afternoon, Professor Luís Almeida. We are in Milan and we will speak in English for the purpose of these interviews that are to be used by all partners in their online courses. I would like to ask you about the way the project defined the knowledge matrix and the way the project did the work on the benchmarking, the study about the companies. We study in the project 64 companies, and I would like to know from you, as a textile expert and researcher in Minho University, what's your feeling about the results we get from these two tools?
Well, first of all, I must say we are in Busto Arsizio, in Centro Tessile Cottoniero. It's the second time I visit. It's very nice to come. I must thank Roberto Vanucci and all his staff for this nice final event of this TexMatrix project. The project is called TexMatrix, and in fact it's a matrix of innovation applied for textile companies. So I think the most challenging part at the beginning was in fact developing and adapting this matrix to textile companies. It was a very good joint exercise between all the partners. And then to make the benchmarking exercise based on this matrix. In Portugal, we have interviewed two companies, and it was a very good experience. I interviewed with the person who is interviewing me now, and we got a very good feedback from these interviews. Unfortunately, we could not interview all the companies, so all the other 12 in Portugal answered by through the platform developed by within the project. Others 50 companies in all the other countries. So I think this was a good, interesting point for the project, because we could exchange experiences in this benchmarking exercise between different companies in different countries. Of course, we saw that the results we obtained are higher than the median average of the companies in each country, because, of course, in Portugal, you notice those who participated are, of course, very much more motivated to innovation. But in general, I think they got a personalized report for each one, comparing their company with the situation in at national and European level. So I think it was one of the good points of the project, and which will take part, will be included in is included now in the training phase of the project. Yeah.
Now I ask you to give us a case study. We interviewed a company in Barcelos that is making socks, and they have interesting innovation cases inside the company. They use robots, and they use some kind of innovation strategies and projects to improve the company efficiency and production. Can you tell us a little bit about this company, for instance?
Well, it is not in Barcelos, but it doesn't matter. It's confidential.
Okay.
No, it was,
confidential.
so she's changing the name of the town to no. In fact, it is not a typical company, because it's a company who has a lot of innovation, who has the system for certified system for innovation. So, and they invest a lot in this area, and they got the results. So it's really a company where you see many robots, when you see many innovations, very interesting innovations they have developed themselves. Most of the projects they have developed themselves. In this moment also special products for special cases, like for hospitals and all those things.
Technical textiles.
Many technical textiles in this area. So,
for instance, the socks for diabetic persons or other cases like this. Yeah.
But not only that, they also invest in the environment, like everybody must invest in sustainability. For instance, they were certified for fair trade, which is not very normal to have a company certified fair trade. So I think it's good to see companies that really want to go in front. So always keep moving, so that they cannot compete in base of prices, but it compete not only in the basis of quality, but especially innovative products. Yeah. Okay.
Just to end the interview, we are going to, within the project, total 95 students will enroll in the online course. And I would like to, in different languages, so the course will be in Italian, in Romanian, Portuguese, and the 3 languages, and Slovenian, 4 languages. So I would like to ask you if this spreadiness of the course, e-learning course, within these textile regions in Europe, you think that will bring added value for the companies, the textile companies that are located in these areas?
Well, the aim of the course is especially to train young people. Young people who will be more motivated to promote innovation in the company. So, for instance, in the seminar we had in Portugal, because they just hired a person who is responsible now for R&D. We have with him. So I think it's very important for the companies to have young people that are motivated and training to promote innovation. So this is, I think, the main aim of the project, and hopefully we will have several of these students that will be engaged in the companies after the project. Okay.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you very much.